More than 247,000 Minnesotans have received at least the first dose of the COVID-19 vaccine.
But that is still less than 5% of the state's population. Fox 9's Courtney Godfrey joining us now. Courtney, it is progress. We don't want to deny that, but it's still a long way to go.
Yeah, and Randy, the good news here is that the state was actually able to vaccinate 11% more people than they had planned because they were able to get more doses out of those vials. But you're right, the vaccination rate is extremely low, and health officials blame that on a low allotment from the federal government.
The numbers are in. More than 13,000 Minnesotans receiving a COVID-19 vaccine this past week at pilot sites across the state. Health officials saying they were even able to dip into the wait list and administer more than 1,300 additional doses.
As the nurses worked through and got more experience, they were able to get even more doses out of a vial. So at first it was maybe just 5 doses, but then they began to get good practice and extend that.
Assistant Health Commissioner Dan Huff saying it was a bright spot in a week that had its challenges. The website crashing due to high traffic and demand they couldn't meet.
Unfortunately, we still only have a limited number of doses to give. So people will still be frustrated.
State officials say the plan is to eventually expand vaccinations to primary care providers and local pharmacies, for example. But the largest provider in greater Minnesota, CentraCare Health, says we're still a long way from that.
It'll be a few months before you might say that it's open for everybody. But we will get there.
Dr. George Morris says we need 70 to 90% of people vaccinated before reaching herd immunity. And right now, less than 5% of Minnesotans have received even the first dose.
We just have to do this in as organized a way as possible.
The state now entering week 2 of the clinics with plenty of improvements to be made and lessons learned.
Part of the pilot is to work through the kinks and make sure that we're able to handle it when we have enough vaccine to really roll it out big time.
New slots will open up this Tuesday at noon for this week's round of vaccinations. State health officials tell me that if you were put on the wait list this past week when you were trying to sign up, they already have your name and you don't need to log in and try and sign up again. Reporting in Brooklyn Center, Courtney Godfrey, Fox 9.
All right.